Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, my name is Muhammad Abdul Asari. So today my topic is example of District of Khilafah of Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala anha. Ali ibn Abi Talib, number one point is Ali ibn Abi Talib found a traditional man of his urban's. And the second point is he decided to take Islam method legally. He is the bread of the disappointment. He is the judge of the surah. Ali said is my urban, and I have not a soul is giving out of its away. And the third point with the surah said is that Christians. What do you say about what is the leader of the believer? It is a believer has a said. The Christians reply, it's my urban, but it's not a consider of the leader of the believable to be urbans. The fifth one is Surah turns of Ali and says, O leader of the believable, do you have a Ali Lahauta as a sad surah of the connect? I do not have a proof. So surah's rule is the favor of the Christians. Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day.